Jaod bura magim Elisha Odhiambo okwedo Gavana Masiaya James Orengo ka owacho ni Orengo koyiero jotend migepe yo makare kata bedo ni thoth ombulu manoyudo nowuok kuom oganda mar jogem. Odhiambo nowacho ni Orengo oketo tenge oganda mar jogem manochung' kode ndalo siasa nyaka ndalo yiero, kendo koro jatelo no yiero mana jok manokogone ombulu e ndalo campaign mare. Elisha ne oloso e gwenge mag gem kama ne osingo mar medo dhiro Orengo nyaka chop kare singo manomiyo jogem.
My position as an MP for game must be given the respect that game deserves. Yes. We are not begging for jobs for the people of game. Yeah. We are asking of equity, no preferential treatment. We are asking for equity and fairness in the governor discharging his duty. So that we don't see so many people from Mugenya, so many people are Lego in the offices, and game people are minimal. And that is why I still insist the office of the county secretary of CIA must come from game to people. I will not tire to remind the governor that he promised the people of CIA that within 60 days, by the 5th of December, they were supposed to have released a Uko report. Up to now, the Uko report is gathering dust. We want to know the details of that report. Yes. We want him to tell us the content of that report. We want him to tell us who bears the greatest responsibility